nakatuwaan ko namang gumawa ng topic about hotel na pwede mong pag-stayhan dito sa Baguio City because nasa Baguio City ako ngayon at medyo free time ko. So ito, gagawa tayo ng konting subject about sa mga hotels. Okay, so ang sa akin kasi medyo kumbaga tight ang budget kaya sa mga 3-star hotels lang tayo and that's what I am staying right now. Okay, so ano nga ba yung definition when we say 3-star hotel? Okay, so ito, ang definition ng 3-star hotel is a 3-star hotel is a mid-range hotel that offers a comfortable stay with a variety of amenities and services. Ilan sa mga yan ay of course ang rooms. Okay, rooms are well equipped with suite bathrooms, closet, TVs, and phones. Sa amenities naman, 3-star hotels offer a range of amenities including restaurant, bar, gym, conference room, pools, and valet services. Of course, sa Baguio, maliit lang. So, pambihira yung may mga pools at malamig dito. May valet din sometimes, of course. Those are maybe the one with wide spaces. So, ganon. So, it differs. And services, 3-star hotel offers good quality service including daily housekeeping, room service, and 24-hour front desk staff. So those are the amenities and services that a 3-star hotel can offer, I should say. So right now guys, nakastay ako sa Hotel Henrico Quezon because nung first na magpunta ako dito, ang nakikita ko na lagi kong hinahanap-hanap lagi is that type of kumbaga ng lugar, hotel man o whatever, na parang mapifeel mo yung pagiging at home mo. So yun, kaya gustong gusto kong bumalik-balik dito sa lugar na to, dito sa Hotel Henrico Quezon. Hindi naman sa pagiging bias with other hotels na napasyalan ko, but really yung na-feel ko dito is naging at home ako. So kung bakit, tignan natin yung mga reviews nila sa Google kasi tinitignan ko rin kung ano yung na-feel ng mga pumunta dito and maybe they feel the same like what I feel, kaya dito sila lagi pumupunta. So basahin natin yung mga iba sa mga yon. Okay, so in overall rating, yung Hotel Henrico Quezon, ang review niya is 3.8, which is quite high and maganda. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga naglinger sa mga customers na nagpunta dito. Okay, so basahin natin yung unang-una. Okay, from 2 months ago, from Mr. Augustus Cesar. Sabi niya dito, I was impressed by the hotel staff politeness and kindness. So, yun. The hotel's location was so convenient for exploring the tourist attractions. Although the food choices are a bit pricey, they are still delicious. I'd love to book the upcoming trips again. So yan, so binigyan niyang rating is 4/5. So ganda, thumbs up yun. Sunod naman, ito of course, hindi naman natin lalagay lahat dyan kumbaga, kanya-kanyang opinion kasi sa mga review yan. So may isa dito, nakalagay, I guess this is a foreigner, sabi niya, si Lexi Ping. It's from a month ago, sabi niya, not sure if this can be a cold hotel since it doesn't look like a hotel. Maybe sanay ito sa mga medyo malalaking hotel na ang tingin ng mga 5-star palagi, ganon. Kasi itong location ng ng Hotel Henrico's is nasa likod siya ng medyo malaking hotel. Maybe yung expectation niya is medyo mataas siguro. So sabi niya dito, I've stayed here for 3 days. Aside from maybe may natapat siya na of course na broken shower at yun yung kanyang medyo hindi makalimutan experience. It doesn't have any water to use, no heater, no pail. The bed smells. Medyo hindi maganda yung experience niya, but continue pa tayo. So this is from 7 months ago naman, kay Mary Ann. The hotel staff are very accommodating and nice. Thank you for the upgrade. It's the best, sabi niya. Facilities and amenities kinda okay since the TV and phone are some are not working. Value for money, yes, it's okay. Breakfast is my love. Overall stay, definitely recommended. So, tatlo na tayo. So, ang score is 2-1. Okay, si Luzila. Stayed here for 3 days and 2 nights. Staff were accommodating, friendly, and they're eager to help. What I loved about this hotel aside from their staff is it's clean and the place is how it's just a few minutes walk from Burnham Park. Yon, so that's 3-1. Okay, kay Maria Sila Mayoyo Miranya, Mantago, accommodating staff, good breakfast, not in a prime location but still accessible. It's very near Burnham Park, so 4/5. So maganda ang review nila. Okay, isa pa from a year ago, we have booked at this hotel since it's nearby the venue of the event we're attending. It gives competitive rate if you are really into a tight budget. So actually, so iba-iba yung pinanggagalingan ng baga ng emotions ng mga taong nagbubuk sa mga hotels, and overall nakita ko, in my opinion, one of the best place na pwede mong puntahan is itong Henrico's Hotel, kasi competitive ang price, sinasabi nila mga staff is accommodating, very nice, which is totoo. Dahil ilang beses na akong pabalik-balik dito at ang hinahanap ko is yung maging at home ka. Of course, hindi natin masasabing perfect ang services ng isang place, but in the summary, maganda pa rin ang rating niya. So, in my opinion, pagdating sa price, it's competitive. Sa mga rooms, I would say it's very clean. Toilet and bath, very good din. Wala pa naman akong experience na masama tungkol dyan. So, heater are all okay kasi Baguio malamig nga naman. Kailangan mo ng heater, and when it comes to staff, talagang they're all very good. Masayahin, palangite. So, magiging at home ka. So, katulad nga ng sinasabi ko, ang hinahanap ko sa isang lugar o sa isang matitirhan na medyo nasa budget lang ay nandito sa Hotel Henrico. Nakita ko dito yon, kaya pabalik-balik ako dito. Actually, maybe if I'm going here sa Baguio, kasi within a year, madalas kasi lagi akong bumibisita sa doctor ko for check-up. In a year time, makakapunta siguro ako dito. Siguro mga 8 times up to 10 times. And siguro pang 5 balik ko na or 6 na balik ko na dito dahil yung hinahanap-hanap ko nandito. Especially ang pinaka-paborito kong place is yung sa may dining area, kasi tahimik siya, maluwang, parang nasa bahay ka lang. At kung gusto mong mag-standby, halimbawa, meron silang internet dito, so may internet service, okay siya, malakas ang signal. So if you're a student or an employee or let's say supervisor or boss ng company, pwede dito, and it's really within budget range. So yun ang masasabi ko. So para sa akin, hindi ako naapektuhan nung mga ratings na let's say na sinasabi ng iba, because yun is galing sa kanila yon. Iba yung ikaw mismo yung makaka-experience pag mapupuntahan mo ang isang lugar. So, for me, in my opinion, dahil ito ang channel ko, in my opinion, Hotel Henrico is one of the best 3-star hotels in Baguio. Hindi ka magsisisi pag pumasyal ka dito. So, if you're going to Baguio, you try visiting Hotel Henrico Quezad. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope this review helps. God bless.